Okay. All right, Griff. Are you
Go downstairs.
Are you ready to see what Santa Claus brought?
Go downstairs.
He's smart. He just looks over the edge.
What do you see down there?
Go see it.
Go see!
Dad, today want to be about a cracker.
You want me to hold your peanut butter cracker?
Yes, it's the train track.
Okay. You saw train tracks down there?
Yes.
Did Santa bring those?
Yes.
Let's go that way.
Go on the mix.
Wow, how come it's not moving? Watch. Daddy's gonna make it move. Watch. Ready?
And make it move.
Whoa! Oh, I think the back piece is off of the track.
You're right. Whoa. What do you think of that, Griff?
Engineer.
Yeah, huh? And look at the Christmas tree. Griff, are there presents under it?
Yes.
Who brought you those presents?
Look. Just gonna go on the mess.
Maybe Mommy can fix it.
I'll try.
I guess not.
Where?
It's hard.
Yeah.
I don't know how these two things connect. Here, let's leave this one off for a minute.
Okay. All right, ready, Griff? You gotta hit that button on top.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. No. It's a little gray button.
Wait.
What did he say?
Wait. Go. Go, Choo Choo. Wait. There you go. Wait.
There it goes.
Wait.
It's coming by us. Can you make it? Hear the bell? Look, there's the coal car. Do you love it? Do you know who sent that to you? Grandpa Jay and Grandma Laura.
On board. Here it comes.
There it goes.
Oh,
Stop.
I think it hit something.